So buenos dias. I'm really early to work today. That's why you didn't see me vlog in the morning. I'm exhausted, but my hand came in clutch. Check this out. She hooked it up. I know mostly you don't like McCafe, but any coffee is good right now. Yeah, she knows just how I like it, which is awesome. So you've been watching me set up this computer and this thing, so we're gonna keep it going. I got the toner cartridge. This, not the cleanest build. My wire management's a mess, but who could blame me? There's not much to do here. I'm probably gonna upgrade all of this later for the store and figure out how to wire all these wires. I have to come here on a weekend and get it done. But this is set up. This was actually surprisingly easy because the PC just goes onto the back and you got your supply, your display ports, everything, and it just sticks to the back of this Acer monitor. It's pretty clean. I like it. This one, gonna take me a little longer to set up. Hit it. So I needed a lunch break. Guess who I'm going with? So he turned on this like ass cooler thing. It's not ass heater. You just feel the wind blowing onto your butt, and it's so weird. Why did they make this?
No.
Special button. There's the ass heater, ass cooler.
AC.
Dude, this thing is freaking nice though. Leather, freaking got that new car smell. The freaking
It's
top.
got 15 miles on it.
15 miles. Not bad, not bad. Cause you a head ass. So who's gonna bust you out of jail when I'm a lawyer?
What do you mean?
Open the car. Open the car, Matthew. Don't be a dick. Head ass. So again, I was hitting the gym. Hitting the books. I didn't go to the gym today, obvious reasons. I got a test tomorrow. But I'm probably just gonna take out the pups. They've just been sitting there, and it breaks my heart. So take them out, let them do their business, and then go. All right, para afuera. Out. Come on. Out. Pups. Out. Out. And away we go. Why is there a spoon? Boy. Where's the... Oh, there it is. Come on. Good boy. Well, actually, I think they took all the girls now. Now it's just these guys. Hey, little ones. What's up, puppy? Look at... Oh, shoot.